Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my 60-second DIY. What in the world is it going to be today? I'm going to be using these wooden writing boards from Dollar Tree. They are so cute, so tiny, and so many ideas. And I'm so glad that you have joined me today because you so inspire me, and I hope that I can also inspire you today. So let's get ready for these 3 short 60-second easel DIYs. They are so easy. Come on! And for our first easy easel, these are little mini ones. I've never seen them before, and they are on both sides. Well, I was going to paint one side white and it fell out. So I just flipped it around and it worked perfectly. I hot glued it in there because those stickers that I got, they're so cool, but they don't look good against the black. And I just wanted to paint one side white so it would pop out, but hey, this natural wood pops out perfectly. And so I've got one of the chalk markers and a little those little magnet button thingies, and I put that on the other side. I also added a little buffalo ribbon on the other side, and then here's where you can add any message that you want. You could put it in your kitchen, you could give it to your child's teacher, you could give it to your child, whatever that you want. I mean, it's so fun to decorate these little easels, and this is done. The first one is over, and look how the little chalk writer sticks right on there. I also showed you those little, like they're Kleenex wet ones or whatever, and that really wipes off the writing because it's not chalk. Moving on to our next 60-second DIY, the clock has started, and look at these little teeny tiny ladybugs. Oh, well, I got them on Amazon. They weren't at Dollar Tree, but there might be some, I don't know. But I just wanted to have these. They weren't very expensive. I'll link them down below. They do have little stickies on them, but I hot glued them so they'll stay. Now notice on this side, they're going up. I had them going up to the sky, and then on the back, I'm having them walk down. Why did I do that? I don't know, but here's what my thought was. I'm going to hot glue another pin right on there, a little chalk pin. And this is for a teacher's desk or whoever. So, hi, welcome. They're coming in, and bye, they're going away. Or should have been opposite. I don't know, but it's just so cute. I love this. And I also added one of the wooden rings on top. And I thought that was a nice little touch, one of the little wooden rings at Dollar Tree now. So they're so cute. Maybe that should be high because they're coming in and then bye, they're leaving. Yeah, well, what do you think? Well, the next one here is super easy. This is a little easel that's a little bit bigger. It's a chalkboard, and I love those sunflower stickers. And so we're just going to really quickly throw that new ribbon. Have you seen that new kind of farmhouse ribbon? Love that. And this one I'm just going to make into a welcome fall little sign. You could put this at your front door, wherever. And I'm just going to use one of the sunflowers for the A. So that came out really cute, except the bow just wouldn't stay on. I was like, get on there. But then I have a few more minutes or seconds left, and I found these new fall stickers. They're the rub-on stickers, and really nothing is out yet at Dollar Tree as far as fall, except the stickers and some floral stuff. I'm sure it's probably in now. I haven't even gone out there yet. And so I just did the little rub on of those leaves. 3, 2, 1, times up, and there it is. Isn't that so cute? Look how all of them are so cute. There's just endless ideas. I hope I inspired you today. This was a quick 60-second DIY, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.